what's going on. This video tutorial is for migration of students manually, especially from first sem to second sem and vice versa. So when you go to classes and you click that, you'd go to here, and then let's find something that has no second semester yet. Say for example, this one right here. I don't think this is a second sem. So there's a menu right here. It says view second sem, and if you click on that and it pops up saying no second semester, means that there is no enrollment going on for second sem, or there's no record for second sem still on the system. So what you can do is click on yes please, but before clicking on that, before anything else, you got to make sure that when you go to, especially for the admins, when you go to management and classes and sections. By the way, this part right here has been already recorded on the previous video on the playlist, so make sure you gotta watch that first. And so you gotta first create a class and section profile for this right here, because you need to add subjects first before migrating these students to another sem. Later on we're gonna see why is that. So first let me create another semester. This is for the grade 11 sections B. And by the way, like I said earlier, this has been already discussed the other video from another video. So this is the second semester. The advisor would be engineer. Yeah, you could leave the tuitions blank. Right, so once you created it, like I said, it's already on another video, but for recap, let's try to find, where is that? That was Hume's second semester. Yeah, I think it's this one. You gotta add your subjects here so that it would automatically get fetched during the migration process. You should just add some dummy subjects here for context. Right. And so that's it. That's for the example. Now, when you hit yes, please. Yeah, it says second semester already added. And so if you want to wish to go to the second semester, you just gonna hit yes. But then again, you won't see any students yet, but because we haven't performed the migration yet, we just created the second semester. And so what we're gonna do is go back to first semester and then click on the select multiple, and then a selection module would pop up. Say for example, we'll be selecting these students right here, right? And then what you're going to do after selecting is that we need to click here, the enroll to second semester. Click on that, and then it's going to give you some prompts, and it's saying that this particular migration won't allow or won't put any payment queues in regards to enrollment on your cashier. So meaning you won't be able to collect the students on their enrollment fees, because this is just a migration. For some reason you have to do some manual migration on your end. And so what you're going to do is proceed second sem enrollment. So what's going to do is it's going to, oh, what's happening? Let's try it again. Let's just try to view. Yeah, it says students enrolled to second semester. It took me a while. Maybe the server is slow. So basically that's just gonna come fast if you're working on a real server. And so if you click on the view second semester, there you can see the students that you have migrated. And if you would go to the grades, you would also see the subjects pertaining to the second semester, the ones that we created here at the class and subjects management section of our system. So like I said earlier, what would happen if we try to create another semester without putting any subjects first? So let me see. Let's see. We've got this one. Let's get another. Yeah, this one right here. So this is no second semester, and well, it's not yet here registered as well in the classes and sections management. So basically, this has no subjects yet. So if you try to click here and create a second semester, it would obviously create another one. Why is my server so slow right now? Let's just wait for a couple of minutes. Yeah, it's creating a second sem already. So we try to reload this. I click on that. Of course, this is no students yet. And if we try to create a migration from this process without creating the subjects first, hit enrollment. Yeah, it says students enrolled in the second semester. But if we go to the second semester and we try to see the subjects, we won't be able to see the subjects here, right? Because we are yet to add a class and a subject here. Now, if you happen to go into this particular process in which you haven't added the subjects first, you can actually do this by, of course, adding a new class. What's this? Grade 12, section A, and what's this strand? Humanities, Humes, and second semester. Set an advisor. Go. So you have that, and what you're gonna do next is, why is my server so slow? We'll let that load. After that, we're gonna be creating a subjects. Where is it? What do we create? First sem, grade 12B. Did we create oh yeah, we already have one. Actually, there's two of it. Right, let's just delete this. Yeah. So what you're gonna do is, oops, so I'm gonna add, because it's not inheriting. Let's try creating that again. Grade 12, let's delete this. Grade 12, section would be, is it B? That's A. Humes, is that Humes? Yeah. Second semester. Set the advisor. Hit save. There. What we're gonna do is try to add some subjects here. Add. And so after that, we need to click the refresh button here. It's for the refreshing of the subjects that you have just added here. Now, if you happen to, like I said earlier, if you happen to go on this step, you could always have the subjects added here, and so you can do it manually, because we don't want to, if this subjects already have grades, we don't want to ruin everything, so we're gonna do it manually. Now you can always add some other subjects here, say for example this one right here, and again, just don't forget to refresh this button here on the grades so that all those subjects you have just added will be shown in here. Right, so that's it for the manual migration of the students. So if you have questions or problems, just call me.